In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a t-shirt on Payhip, a user-friendly online platform that makes selling products a breeze. Whether you're a first-time seller or looking to expand your online shop offerings, you'll find Payhip to be a straightforward and efficient tool for reaching your audience. Let's dive right into the steps to get your store up and running. First, you'll want to set up your Payhip store. To begin, head over to payhip.com and sign up for a free account. It's a quick process. Just enter your email address and a secure password to create your account. Once you're in, the fun part begins. Personalizing your store. You'll want to add your brand's logo and a banner that really captures the essence of your t-shirt line. Don't forget to also write a compelling store description. This is your chance to introduce yourself and your brand to potential customers, so make sure it's engaging and gives a sense of what they can expect from your products. Now, let's move on to adding your t-shirt products. In your Payhip dashboard, look for the Products tab. Click on it, and you'll see the option to add a new product. Select Add New Product, and then choose Physical Product, since we're working with t-shirts. Here's where you'll provide all the essential details about your t-shirt. Start with the title. A catchy name can grab potential buyers' attention, so make it memorable. Next, you'll write a description. This is where you can get creative and detail what makes your t-shirt special. Consider mentioning the design, the material, and any unique features or benefits. Is it made from organic cotton? Is there a limited edition design? Whatever it is, let your customers know why your t-shirt is a must-have. Setting the right price is crucial. Take a look at similar products in the market to ensure your price is competitive. You want to balance affordability with value to attract more buyers while ensuring you make a profit. High-quality images are also vital. Be sure to upload several images of your t-shirt taken from different angles, which will help your customers get a good idea of what they're buying. Finally, let's talk inventory. Specify how many t-shirts you have available for sale in the inventory section. Payhip will do the heavy lifting by automatically updating the product status to Sold Out once all units are gone. This way, you won't have to worry about manually tracking your stock levels. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your Payhip store ready to showcase and sell your t-shirts to the world. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!